An excellence component of the bivariate internal assessment will be, or could be, doesn't have to be, but one of the elements could be determining the gradient of your trend line and then interpreting that gradient in context. So we have a situation here where we have study time as the x variable and score on a particular test as the y variable. So independent is your x, study time, and dependent is your score. And the easiest thing to do is to basically pick a couple of points, not data points, but actually pick a couple of points of your own that are on the trend line. So I'm going to pick a point there, and I'm going to go 1 hour, and I'm going to pick another point right there. And you want them right on a right on a number, so that you can basically see what the study time is. So that's that's an hour. So that's 1 hour. And what you do is you basically find the gradient. Now we all know that gradient is rise over run. So this goes up 10, 20, that's 20% for every hour on the x-axis. So it's always the change in y over change in x. So if you basically say that the gradient is 20 over 1. Now you've got to put that in context, and that means that there's an increase of score by 20%. Is this what 20% for every 1 hour increase in study time. So that's kind of how you interpret it, and that's kind of how you would calculate the gradient in a particular very simple way.